Best Pet Grooming Glove Review. In this video, we'll show you the best pet grooming gloves available in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. And we'll share with you some of the quick features of what makes this pair of grooming gloves so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how to use these gloves easily for your pets. The one that made our list is the Delomo Pet Grooming Glove. It has 255 silicone grooming tips, which mimics the touch of your hand for a soft, relaxing massage for your pets. These flexible slip-on gloves allow you to brush away dirt and loose hair from your pets. It can be used for long, short, or even curly-haired dogs, cats, horses, and other pets. The loose hair will stick to the gloves and make it easy to peel off and dispose of later. You can even bathe your pets with these gloves, giving them a gentle massage without hurting their skin. The soft rubber material provides a gentle massage and grooming without damaging their skin. This pair of gloves have an adjustable wrist size for a comfortable fit, and you actually get 2 gloves per set, one for the left and one for the right. To check out the full specs of the Delomo Pet Grooming Gloves and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/pethairgloves. Here's a quick video demo of these gloves in action. So there you have it, the Delomo Pet Grooming Glove. Considering its upgraded functionality, its ease of use, and how well received it is, this pair of grooming gloves is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Delomo Pet Grooming Glove and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/pethairgloves. Alright, thank you for watching.